20 minutes, and after that I make a mistake of navigation.
In the morning I put disc new, 2 disc new, because I feel not so much. Then I find the other.
My name is Henk Helgers. So now we're here, first BVAC, the full team with all our 5 riders, 36 staff. So big team, but a very good atmosphere, international team, and we're very happy to be in Dakar with Team HRC to go for maximum result.
Hey, hello, my name is Mirjam Pol. I'm from the Netherlands. I'm working as assistant team manager for Team HRC, and we're doing really well, but we're only on day 4, so we have a long way to go.